This is the Fire HD8 Kids Pro 2022 edition. Amazon is doing a lot of things in order to subsidize the cost. That's the biggest takeaway of this. Is if you're wondering why it's so cheap, it's because they have things like services and add-ons and subscriptions and plans and monthly fees that they'll throw at you once you use this, so that the actual device body is not that expensive. So they try to get this into your hands as cheap as possible in order for you to start it up and start using its services. Now, that's not a bad thing. It's not really underhanded. It's just really the industry standard. That's how it works. I mean, even companies like Remarkable that have a fairly unremarkable unit, they make you pay on your credit card to even use it. So it's industry standard now. So this says this is very eco packaging. And you know what? I must say, this is a thin cardstock. It feels thinner than the last gen. It really does. The overall stock and thickness of the unit is quite low, and I would say that even though it was in a box, it got crushed by its own packaging and the other unit that was in here. So this packaging is actually really, although eco, quite dangerous in a way. Granted, the kids model does have a case, but you know, they all don't. And look at this one. This is even thinner. This is a piece of cardboard. Really, not even cardboard. I take that back. There's no actual levels or layers to this. This is not a corrugated cardboard. This is just a piece of construction paper. You have your guide here, which will be in French because we got this from our Canadian office. Tells you everything about the power button, volume up and down, all that stuff. This is typical tablet stuff. Now we have two more containers here. I don't know what's in this one. There's nothing in this one. So they give you an actual isolated zone with tabs and a closure, and there's literally nothing inside there as I can see. That's quite strange. Now this should have the power adapter and the cable. Hopefully, they'll both be in here. Hey! And you know what's great? Kudos to Amazon, finally catching up. It wasn't until very recently that they started using paper and wax paper with a level of translucency. Even the Amazon Paperwhite had the plastic on there, so it's really nice that they're doing this. Let's open this up. Oh, it's not even adhered. Okay, that's fine. This case is an all new case as well. So this one, I assume you can take this out. It's not a dedicated device, is it? No, it's not. Okay, because the kids Amazon Kindle is not a dedicated device either. And I think you can open this for a stand. That's a high quality hinge. My lord, that is tight. That is a very tight hinge. Alright, a lot of the quality goes to that, I would say. That's crazy. It locks into place. That's like, you gotta put a lot of pounds of pressure to close that, which is really good because that's the point. It's supposed to stand up and keep your kids preoccupied while you're doing dishes, essentially. So yeah, this will just come out, and if you take this out, it's just an Amazon Fire now. So you've kind of taken away the kids element, but you buying this gives you a bunch of things actually, and much like the oh, there we go, I turned it on. Much like the kids Kindle, if you look at the back, you actually get a 1-year subscription included when you buy this to Amazon Kids Plus, and you get a 2-year warranty. And they do that because kids typically break things more than adults just by accident and spilling juice on it. So you could use this for 22.5 months and still have a month left and some overflow. And if you break it, you get a new one. That's crazy. That's a very good warranty. Industry standard, yes, it's a reflective screen. Industry standard basically is 1 year, and you have to buy extended warranties to go past that. So for this to have a 2-year warranty out of the gates is fantastic. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Amazon Fire HD8 Kids Pro model, ages 6 through 12 only. If you're over 12, you cannot buy this. No, you totally can. If you want the double, you know what? This is actually a better idea to buy this. You get a 2-year warranty, and then just take it out of the case. There's no harm, no foul. Anyways, thanks everybody.